Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So it is almost a month now that we are stuck into our homes due to the COVID-19 spread, and we are totally under the lockdown. And definitely after this lockdown is done, you would want to wear a t-shirt which would be stating something regarding this. So these are some of the ideas that you can paint your own t-shirt and you can wear them once the lockdown is done. So let's start. So all you need to start painting a t-shirt is a cotton t-shirt. Then you would need some brushes, and you need also some acrylic colors. You can pick your own colors with respect to the t-shirt color that you are selecting. You have to make it very sure that you are inserting a paper or a cardboard inside the t-shirt, because if you are using too much color on one side of the t-shirt and if the cotton t-shirt is not that much thick, then there are chances of the color getting attached to the back side of the t-shirt, which you would definitely not want. So just insert a good paper or a cardboard inside the t-shirt before you are starting to paint. So that is how t-shirt is painted, and this t-shirt is almost now ready to wear. The quote of I saved the world just by staying home. So this is one of the idea that you can think about. And second idea I thought is this is a very good idea, and third one is this. So it is a very simple design that you can directly start painting on your t-shirt. All you need is some acrylic colors, and make sure that you are inserting a paper or a cardboard inside the t-shirt before you're starting to paint, because it will save you from painting the back side of the t-shirt, because I have done it so many times and now I'm very cautious about that. So that is all for this video, guys. So almost it is around a month now that we are locked down into our homes, and a few more days to go. So thank you so much for watching until here. I am around 50 subscribers away from reaching 1k 1000 subscribers. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.